Now we may discuss about the festivals of Himachal Pradesh. What are the important festivals of Himachal Pradesh? We may discuss. Please note it. First of all, the ice skating carnival, which is enmarked for the last week of the month of December. So delight the locals and tourists. And the Asia's only natural ice skating rink at Lagol Bazaar in Shimla. Shimla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, which is formerly the Blessington's tennis court. Many fancy dress contests, dance performances, ice hockey, etc. add to the joy and interest of the festival. That means the first important festival attached with the Himachal Pradesh is the ice skating carnival of December. Then another one, Pakhali, a religious celebration, which is marked with snow filled in a basket and inverted on a roof resembling the Shivalinga. Pakhali festival is a religious celebration which is related with both the Lord Shiva and goddess Hidimba. Who is Hidimba? Hidimbi Devi was wife of Bhima. Bhima was one of the important characters of Mahabharata. During Pakhali festival, people of Himachal Pradesh worship both Lord Shiva and goddess Hidimba. Locally brewed liquors and traditional food is consumed in this festival. Pakhali festival is also known as the mask festival in Himachal Pradesh. People wear masks and participate in the festival. Then, in the middle of January, Maghi festival is celebrated with a flock dance and songs, and a grand fair is also organized. It is a starting point of Rabi Cross. People celebrate Maghi festival as a starting point of sowing of Rabi Cross. Okay. Then celebration Guru Gobind Singh's birthday. That of all the Gurudwaras, and there are so many stories linked with Guru Gobind Singh. People in Himachal Pradesh celebrate Guru Gobind Singh's birthday with great pleasure. Republic Day celebration at all the district quarters with the socio-cultural activities also displays the variety of the state. Then March. March is the month when winter is at a closest stage with the well-known festivals like Chaitrul. Chaitrul is an important festival which is related with the Chaitra month. Holi. During March, people celebrate Holi and Shivaratri. The Chaitrul festival is a festivity of pictures, especially in Simo region. A festival of pictures. It is celebrated on the night of the full moon to perform the ritual. The deities of all the families are carried to the field, and an intricate dish known as Poltu is prepared and offered to the goddesses. While returning after celebration, people break clay pot in order to chase away the evil spirit. It is one of the important festival related with the pictures. Then Shivaratri, a festival accredited to the worshipping of Lord Shiva, also has many local celebrations at all Shiva temple and the preparation of food, especially bhang, the mystical bhang, served as Lord Shiva's prasad to ladies and men equally. Then Holi, a festival of colors celebrated all over the state as legend associated to the holy god Dan. An evening prior to celebration Holi, when people come out of their houses to play and color their fronts and fuse equally. The month of March also celebrates the magnificent Nalvari fair at Bilaspur. In this fair, trading of cattle. When the cattle are brought in pairs, they are fully decorated with all sort of makeup that may be done to an animal. Then a stage is set, or the best couple is awarded, and celebrations were made. Trade shop and aero and water sports also take part nowadays. Then Vaishakhi festival is another important festival in Madhya Pradesh, which is somehow resembles with the Vishu festival. Vaishakhi festival is celebrated on 30th April. We celebrate Vishu on 14th April. Vaishakhi festival is a new year festival in Madhya Pradesh. Vaishakhi festival is celebrated on 30th April of each year, celebrated with interest and faith in Tatpani region near Shimla, Rivaswell and Parashar near Mandi with the sacred dips in waters of River Sutlej and other lakes are taken by people throughout the day. Many fairs, events and contests are held. People participate in competition wrestling, dancing and archery. In summer, the month of March also celebrate the magnificent Nalvari Fair at Bilaspur, the trading of cattle and aero and water sports show. Vaishakhi festival is also celebrated on 30th April each year, celebrated with interest and faith in Tatpani region near Shimla, okay, Rivalshire and Parashar near Mandi with sacred dips in the water. So that river and other lakes are taken by people. Okay. Then in monsoon, what are the festivals Himachal Pradesh do in monsoon season? Lavi Fair held in Rampur in Upper Shimla area on the river banks of Sutlej as international praise and fame happens in number. Accredited as a major center for trading and stopover for the old route like Ladakh, Afghanistan and Kinnaur in all days. Stalls were put up by the Kinnaur and Tibetan traders. Present day, Lavi Fair is just an effort to revive that old glory. Traders from all corners come to sell utensils and many other consumer goods with the most sought after. Pashmina wool and Chaumukhi horses, dry food, handicraft, etc. Then now we may classify the festival in Himachal Pradesh. First, Shivaratri fire. Festival Shivaratri celebrated month, February, March, type religious. It is a state festival. Then Holi fire in March, it is a religious state festival. Then summer festival at Shimla during May, June. It is a cultural festival. It is an international festival. Then Nalvari Fair in Bilaspur during March. It's a trade festival. It's a state festival. Then Lavi Fair in Rampur in Namba is an international trade festival. Then another festival, Renuga Fair in Namba is a state religious festival. Okay, now we are discussing about different types of festival related with the Himachal Pradesh. Okay, thank you.